See? This one with the 3 guys missing, and this one with the 3 guys there. Cause see, this one is smaller. So if I do this, it'll be smaller. If I do this, it basically fill up your shoulder area and your arm area. And then I just add on these 2 pieces right here. That's right. Yeah. Whatever price you tell me for finishing.
Very quick thinking there. The idea is to have just the one striker up there trying to pose problems for the opposition. So the starting lineup for Liverpool. Alisson begins in goal. Virgil van Dijk, striker, looking. He brings it down, but what to do? Well, goodness me, into the goalkeeper's grateful grasp.
What side are you?
I'm sucking a bit.
Shit. And like you really gotta fuck up the land here with me. You might want to secure it. Just like the guy who take it up for you. They started.
Grab it.
Yeah.
Grab
I've
it.
done this before.
Use your hand and grab it. Yeah. Cuff it. Yeah.
Alright.
Like this. Yeah, cuff it. Cuff it.
Boys.
Go up more now. Yeah, cuff everywhere. Hold on.
Police! Coming in!
Wrong door. I know we worked this out. Oh shit.
This hurts more than this. This doesn't even hurt me anymore. This shit right here like it got cut. Yeah. Talented, my friend. Oh, he didn't name him. Yeah.
You doing it too close.
Yeah. Do it. Let him do it, because I guess I need to get that.
Yeah.
This is using new ink and a new gun that has like 3 or 4 needles. So you notice it's more detail. It just looks way better than the first one with the old gun and the old ink. I wish he did the first one on my left arm with this gun, but there's nothing we can do.
The star going out the door. Why are they insult? You can insult. You can. Well, this
Beautiful, though.
We're going to
See how Cardi B's look with all the different colors?
Whatever Dave wants. Like we're gonna do what's best for us. You don't have to put that.
So you pull up.
You could be
Yeah.
far more diplomatic
Yeah,
and
leg is
say,
big.
Yeah,
you know what? We want to do right by Dame.
Trust me, bro.
Dame has been
Right?
this is
Yeah.
franchise.
And the
Dame is a very
yo,
valuable
you should see the
piece.
rolls under the
We
lion's
need to
skin.
get.
Just got this tattoo. So I'm showing you guys in this video all the tattoo work I've gotten.
Here's Mann. In with a chance. Well, it was down to whether or not he could beat the keeper, and that question has been answered.
Well, I'm all for the way striking through the back of the ball with power, but he has to hit the target from there.
Modric. Disappointed if he didn't take
No.
it, really.
I think this is fine. still.
Yeah, this was fine. Let's do the loyalty right here. Guy, you know, to keep an eye on your place, and he's there every day. So he's the perfect person to make sure everything is good.
I really need him now.
But he has-
play something on this.
Yeah, he has no.
How does it look? This is it for me, dude. I don't know where on my chest.
This one I'm in pain. This one is the one that most people like. It had to be though because I was in so much pain.
In the collarbone area. Pain or happiness?
Happiness.
Now, the road observation platforms. The tourists.
Just look nice, though. Nice.
You good guy?
Well, I think I look nice. I just want him to just be here with me.
And for stuff like this. Yeah, thanks for the comfort. The words of comfort. Makes me feel a little better. Let me see it. Don't touch it. Let me see the video. Jesus Christ. Like you can't stab a man and you like kill him.
Quick, that me I tell you.
This one, out of all of them, if you guys are wondering, the chest hurts the most. The chest hurts the most. So I'm happy that's the one that people mainly say they like, is the chest one. But it hurts the most, so it's, I can't even explain the pain, man. Oh. This one hurts a lot. Yeah, but I love it though. This is my favorite one. It's my favorite one. I'm gonna get some more work done, but in key areas, like on my back, on my calf area, like that side of my leg, each leg. Yeah. You hear me in the background, man. I'm in pain in this one. Oh, man. I wouldn't recommend anyone to do this, especially if you're not new to tattoos. So yeah, this is Tiff. She added some more because we did the first ones in January when I came down, and she added some more. She added some more to it. Yeah, this one right here. Oh man, I can't put it into words. If especially for someone that, like, I'm new to tattoos, so I got so much work done in a short time period.
A lot of people don't get a second chance, and I want to use this second chance just to prove to everybody that I'm the same kid that you drafted 5 years ago back, and I can't wait to get this year started.
I want to see what she's been talking about lately, because she's had some things to say regarding the child support and the lifestyle ain't the same as it would be now if you would have let him sign that contract. That's gonna be thing number one, because you gotta remember Miles Bridges was still on a rookie deal. He gets this 1 year prove his worth to teams and everything. So, and there was a report out there that Miles Bridges wanted to test the market. You know, Rich Paul wanted the Hornets to release him to let him be able to go and get a contract.
Yeah, I like this one. It's very detailed. So I'm a religious person. So the lion represents Leo, the Jesus hands. I like this. I had the words done when I first got my work done in January. This is the first one he did as well. You notice the ink is kind of dull compared to the rest of them. Because the rest of them, he has new ink gun and new ink. So it just stands out more. So I wish I waited for that one. And I got this one done as well. I got a lot of work done. But the chest one, he had to come back and finish because I was passing out. Yeah, I was passing out. So they had to put me under the AC. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video of my, my tattoo journey. Yeah, so yeah, I'm new to tattoos, but I always had it in my mind that I was gonna get some. And the reason why I got it done in Jamaica, for me, it's cheaper, you get more work done. And this guy comes from America. He just happens to live in Jamaica. Yeah, he learned his craft in America. I feel like the work looked just as good. And I paid a fraction of the price, and I got 2 people got tattooed. So yeah. And he has all the equipment that is sent to him from America. Yeah. I thought this would have been my favorite. Even this one is very good, but I think the one on the chest was my favorite because, I don't know, it was so painful. And what I'm trying to do now is, I think next trip, I'm going to look for a tattoo to put on my back. So you have something in the back. Yeah, and all these, most of my tattoos are all like religious tattoos, biblical stuff. Yeah, so I like that because that's how I feel. And I have the loyalty on my arm. And loyalty. And I waited this long to get tattoos because, one, I wanted to be
more...
working,
brother. Watch out. Ink up this already. Listen, put some clothes in it. Now I do that one now.
Yeah. Yeah. Work is about to begin, people. Boy, first tattoo. You hear this guy with his negativity? He's about to die. Yeah.
I'm a fly out. One time, he did a whole sleeve and put 3 kids on his chest.
In one day.
One sit. I topped out.
Yeah.
Yeah, my back was hurt. I'm like, damn, nigga.
Yeah. Let's see, Let's see my tolerance for pain.
I'm on right there, not to them part here.
Oh.
Part here, but the worst is part when you hold on. Right, that's so.
Oh, the funny bone area.
Yeah, right.
No, I wouldn't want no elbow tattoo, though.
Yeah, but if you get that sleeve, it's going to touch it.
It's going to touch it.
Yeah, I'm right here, so. Woo.
Yeah, that's what you were saying yesterday. Talented, yeah. Going to the fight. know. Mess. It's not that bad, honestly. Some areas are bad because it's more sensitive on some areas, but I think that area is good. There's no like nerves there. Like right now, I can feel it in my elbow, right there. Yeah.
Jorginho. Didn't it? What a stop that is. And over comes the corner. A harmless effort when all is said and done. Well. You really have to switch on the turbo to get to that far. He brings again. Ramos. Here's Mbappe. Messi. Looking away patiently, looking for an opening. He brings again.
Yeah, send me that video.
Ronaldo.
The phone shows nice though. That's Samsung for you. That's Samsung for you.
Mbappe.
Yeah, you're in good hands, girl. You're in good hands, yeah. Money well spent. Yeah. Bright like a child.
Yeah.
Send me them. I can't believe I got a tat. Dude, I'm turning 40 this year, eh? Yeah, you did your thing, bro. Back from the beginning. Yeah, and you're gonna do the writing here for me. For me, man.
Really pretty.
Yeah, you did your thing, man. Ooh, thanks, Carter.
No, not the drink. It's the ring salt they need.
It's a really emphatic finish. Let's keep the keeper no chance.
Effective challenge. Oh, a lovely ball. Can he keep his composure? No shortage of excitement. Rebel again. No wonder they're excited. So back underway following the equaliser. Second goal for them here. And space for him to cut in.
Yeah, you ready, dude? You can do it, man.
Probably the shading I got cover it.
All of that too, yeah.
Unable to put it behind, but what will be a corner here?
Finally did it. February 2023.
So we have an early booking here to report. Hugo.
Yeah, I think the referee's absolutely right. He's just making it clear to all the players out there, he's not going to take any messing about here.
Oh, I like it. And the keeper just there. And over comes the corner. Not quite the clearance they were hoping for.
I feel like red on is for sure.
Danger
Red
about
on
it
is
for
like
now.
a normal one.
Yeah.
And he's taking it away.
Don't focus there, just focus on the fear. I'll focus on the money.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna do it
I
right
can
now.
see it crystal clear. Feel it in the air. I keep all my shoes near. When it's all said.
And space for him to cut in. Good work to win the ball back high up the pitch.
That's beautiful, man.
Superb run.
Only thing I would say, I wish it was bigger. I have the thick thighs, you know? You know what I mean? Yeah, but he didn't really, he wouldn't know though. I'm looking at the tattoo that's too small. But you can do more work around it. Yeah. Maybe put some flowers the next time around or something else. You know, just to fill up the thighs. Yeah. The thighs is, but it looks good though, man. Yeah, you ready, Tim? You can do it, man.
Probably the shading I go cover it.
Yeah, I like that too, yeah.
Not able to put it behind. That's a good finish. So the ball is moving again. We've been treated to 4 goals. 3-1 the score. Lozano. He's given it straight to the opposition. Real chance. And Varane filing.
Yes.
An effective challenge. Excellent use of the ball as they make their way forward.
Well, no surprise there. France have enjoyed most of the possession, and they've made good use of it and really have played some good attacking football.
Well, Stuart, they might be onto something here. And nobody there to pick him up in the centre. He'll never quite have the header on the target. Nicely cut out. Coman, and he's through here. Not all that convincing defensively. Pogba. Oh, a lovely ball. Well, somehow the goalkeeper got to it. And now the delivery. I'm sure he would love to have that opportunity back.
Take time with her.
To win the ball up high up the pitch. Couldn't keep it. A message delivered from the referee to the fourth official. 3 minutes on the board.
Alright, you ready? It's not gonna hurt that bad.
They were gonna feel it.
I feel a little sting, but you'll be alright.
Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the
Start
break.
from the bottom.
Well, it fizzled out. Lozano. And so the final whistle here. The visitors come out on top, Stuart.
Well, Derek, it was a very short performance, wasn't it? Particularly impressed with their play.
It never hurt. Never hurt.
It's like I don't know for a while.
And knocked away. Jimmy Palmer. The goal scored by Kylian Mbappe. Well, he's so very capable in that touch.
No regrets. Aim for the stars and our hands on the clouds. When I started, I was less. I look around and spread it and I know that I'm on left. Shit is like a same on it. Must be natural. People trying to get it right. Everyone is valuable. Fuck the world.
You can look at your questions.
So this is when I got my first work done. So all of these videos at the end is when we were getting the first tattoos done. And you see, like, it looks good, but the ink is not as bright as the first one. That's why I have a little bit of regret. Like, I wish the equipment he had for the second set, I wish he had that equipment for the same equipment. This is hers, so this is when it's peeling, because you know you have to go through this process. Mine's as well, but every time you take your shower, more and more of the skin will come off and it'll heal up. So I like to get it at the beginning of my trip so that I have it for the trip. But I don't know, maybe this time